everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I am going stir crazy. I have not been able to diamond paint for several days, and I'm going on a work trip, leaving the fam behind, and won't be able to diamond paint much then either. But I wanted to do an unbagging for you, and just try to take a deep breath and know that my Diamond Art Club, which is turned upside down with its velvet texture, will be here when I get back. So, what do we have in here? I first want to say I love the bags. I kept my last bag. I'm going to be using it to send something out, and I just think this company, that's an extra little added bonus that it's a colored bag. I don't know why. Maybe it's because it's my favorite color as well. So let's see what is inside. So this is from Archer's Arts. Jen Archer has a store on, I believe it's on Facebook. I will put the link down below. Let's see if I can open it this way. And I can reuse it. Nope. So it's down below for you to check out. She does trays and drill grinders, and I think she has one other product. I can't remember what it is. I'm sorry. I'm brain dead right now. So we just survived an audit at work, and I'm so excited. And so yeah, I'll talk about that in a minute. So she sends, okay, in this cute little bag, and then she also sends in these cute little bags, and it has a little thank you sticker on it, and then it has her business card in it, and it has a little how to do the diamond grinder. And you're going to pour drills into the grinder, and we'll do that in just a minute. And then on the back, it has a little disclaimer that the diamond separator is provided as is. Overfilling the separator with resins might damage it, pressing down too hard, rough twisting, etc. And then thank you for your order. So now I love this color. Look, I told you this was the color of the month for August. Right now they have a red apple with a gold sheen to it for September, but I thought this was beautiful, and she makes them on her husband helps her make them on the 3D printers. My favorite color is kind of in this color palette, but also green, so I have one in green, and I've absolutely loved it. Now, since I've started buying a little bit higher quality diamond kits, I haven't needed this as much, but I do still use these. They do work better. They say they work better on round drills, but I use them for round or square and haven't had a problem. But when I saw this color, I was like, I've got to jump on the bandwagon and get it. She has 3 different types of grinders. This is the original, and then she has one that's kind of like a gear. It's a little bit thicker on each side, so if you have arthritis, your hands can grab it much easier. And then she has one where they put a knob. I don't know if it's on the thicker side or the thinner side, but they put like a twist knob similar to a pill bottle, so that you could grab it and twist it. So there's 3 styles to pick from currently. If you're watching this video, you know, in the future, and now it's the past, I don't know what she has now. But she does have a standard, I think it's 6 or 8 colors. Green is one of them. And then she has a color of the month. So July was like a glow-in-the-dark color. This was like a sea, like translucent aqua sea color, and then September's is like a candy apple red with a gold sheen to it. So there's that. Now, when I bought this green one, I decided to buy one of her large trays, or actually she gifted it to me because I helped her come up with the Archer's Arts logo. And I got a white tray, a big white tray. My daughter's actually using it right now, so I don't have it in front of me, but I wanted to get a matching, or I got a white tray because I wanted to see all the drills, and you can kind of tell like this is a white tray. You can see the drills, pretty much any color on here, clear except white, and so that's why I got a white tray for testing it out. But she came out with a new size, and the new size is bigger than this. I mean, it's just as wide as your normal tray, but it's longer, and it has the funnel on the corner instead of in the middle. And then it also has a ramp here, so when you're shaking, they don't fly out. And so I thought this might work, so I wanted to try this size, and I wanted it to match because I had a green and a white already, so that way I can have a matching set. And if I liked this because of the price point, I might buy a couple more down the road, just because it feels good in my hands, but I want to see how it works with the shaking and everything. And then she came out with this new product, or fairly new, which is a plug to go in the end of your drill. So if you're using it and you shake it, the walls are high enough, your drills aren't going to fly out, but sometimes they can fly out even with this ramp if you're an intense shaker. So she developed this plug, and so I got 2 of them because I have the white tray as well, so I can have one with each tray. It kind of has a little sparkle to it. I think it's like supposed to be clear, but with the way it's designed, it has a little shine to it, so that's nice. I like that it's clear because then no matter what color tray, I think it just fits really tightly, which is good. It'll loosen up the more you use it. But yeah, I like this a lot. Her trays she also sells. This isn't her tray, but roughly this big. So you can see the size difference. Her tray, her big trays look identical to this tray, just this size. So yeah, so we'll see how it goes. If I like this, I'll probably get some more of these. I believe these are $8 and the larger trays are $12. And then I want to say this is like $12.50. Don't quote me on it. Go check out her site. So yeah, I got both of these and the 2 plugs. I believe it after shipping it was like $23 or $26. But check out her site. She's amazing to work with. They're all custom, so she does have the standard sometimes in stock, and we'll send it out right away, but they could be, you know, I know the color of the month is at least custom as far as that's concerned. So this was a pleasant surprise. I got it, even though she, you know, says that it could take 2 to 3 weeks, I got it within, you know, 10 days so that she could make this and send it to me. That was awesome. She also sends you an email saying it's on its way, so you know to expect it. She has great customer service. She has, you know, short little videos on her Facebook. Join her Facebook group. You can, you know, throw up your whips, your drill with me's. It's just a great community, family business, but they are definitely professional and top-notch quality. I have bought from another company. I think if you see, I opened this a long time ago, and I just noticed some quality differences and how these are made. And so these are just very high quality. She just makes sure that her product is above the standard as far as that's concerned. So I had an audit this week. It was the first audit for our department in 10 years. Everything went really well, but it meant a lot of long hours and not a lot of diamond painting or time with the family. So this was just a nice surprise, and so I just want to wish you guys well. Please make sure, is this even in the scene? Hopefully. Ooh. Probably off camera. I can't see what I'm shooting, but I hope this this video finds you well. I hope that you are enjoying your diamond painting accessories, and I would love to see in the comments down below, do you have an Archer's Arts product? If you do, what do you love about it? What's your favorite color? If you don't, which product do you want, or are you drooling over? Or if you don't either, or you do, what's your favorite diamond painting accessory? So let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget also down in the description to nominate your Diamond Painter of the Month for the month of October. Yes, it's coming up. So love you all. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.